In a recent interview, Tanta Blacks cleared the air about rumors of him being bottled at a performance in Canada. Tanta Blacks also warned promoters and potential business interests to be careful of unscrupulous scammers who are pretending to be his booking agent and management team and are taking deposits for a show, dub plates, etc. Here is the actual audio of interview. Take a listen, then I'll share my view.
People are coming from foreign to them text on my Facebook, so I have to tell the people themselves, once them text on Facebook, once them don't hear from me, if them get a number and don't hear my advice, them don't talk to no one and send them money from foreign or send them money in Jamaica to no parish, come get no one. But no dub plate or no video ads from me. Cause this lady a scam people, them are some people I do it, and as she alone I do it, you can see, so it's not she alone I try to rob me. She talk just like, oh, like, hello, yeah. This is Tanta Black's manager. You know, she talk intelligence of people way up with her. Yeah, that happened to me from what day, yeah. You see, because I don't want nobody to call me and say I rob them, because real rich don't rob people or scam people. I stay rich and I do my thing real. That's why my name Real Rich. Me reach a Canada tonight. And the same night, Missy Palm, somebody send me from Jamaica. Tanto, me here say you work and you just go to Canada, I work and I go and this and them back. Let me say, you believe that? No, come off from my phone. You really believe that? Come off from, I don't want to listen about that. I got me down beg. My people that come about that, them should know say Tanta Black never do that in Jamaica yet. And even cause bad word on stage. Notice me I be a gimmicks and laugh and fun but people happy. Come people. And then the same Thursday I reach in Canada, I heard that my style gay and them buckle me and them something them. I'm not that type of man where I go style people. Me's not me, I'm people. I don't responsible with people who have to do. Me just know say I'm doing music and me come to support right this and I write this and I come to support. I don't care if gay or anyone in our party. Me just come to sing my song and when me finish I get my pay and go. That is maintenance and my people, my fans them love me and make my fans them happy and I go. I don't care who is who there.
Why do we as a people always try to bring each other down? Imagine a little ghetto youth like Tanta, create a brand for himself from 2010, went into a slum for a few years, found a way to revamp himself and bust back out in 2015, and now no one put an obstacle in the man way. One of the dirty nasty scammer, one of the day when the man there struggle, ask yourself what the fuck you do to elevate yourself? Why you think you have right to people thing? You think scamming is a job? You think when you make people start labeling everybody at Jamaica as thief, you think it fair?